Not the question. Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge yesterday in their meeting openly encouraged the encroachers and land jihadis to encroach lands of the government. He did not realize that in the forest land people cannot be rehabilitated. But he has clearly said that you will be rehabilitated in the same place and you will be provided house, etc. Because of those kind of species, people get encouraged, and today morning, the evicted people who were already evicted, they started throwing stone and they also started beating police with the sticks and various other weapons. Police retaliate, 21 police personnel were injured, and obviously on police firing, when we have no other option, we have to open fire. One of the encroacher died on spot and 2 encroacher is under treatment now. Police has registered a case. We will see who are the people directly and indirectly responsible for this incident. Police will definitely also go through the speeches made by Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge, and if we see that there are elements which will invite panel action, police will not hesitate to take action against Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge.